This is Kim with Geauga Firearms Academy. Come with us from this freezing cold Ohio to SHOT Show 2025 in Las Vegas.
What's up, guys? Here we are at the Smith & Wesson booth. We got the spec series. They call it the V. It's got it's a steel frame gun, not aluminum. It's all steel. It's got a big mag well that comes with it. Looks like you got about a 25 round magazine.
You get 4 of them, right? You
get 4 of them. They comes in a Pelican case. You guys can see up front here, they've already done some window cuts. There's one on the top, one on the side. Has a compensator already built into it. It's kind of interesting when you see it, the barrel doesn't really tilt like you'd normally see on a lot of guns. It seems pretty stationary. They got a nice blue accents on there. The slide locks are enhanced on both sides. Obviously, you got the suppressor height sights. There's cool bluing on the blue color, I should say, on the barrel. It's also, you can see the spiral fluting on there. And then, of course, it has a metal cover that you can take off. And according to Smith & Wesson, it comes with 4 or 5 actual plates that come with it. Same back straps like they've always had before. And they're going to do a limited run on this guy, 5,000 rounds, or 5,000 copies. It also comes with a challenge coin, and it comes in a Pelican style case. So it's all custom fit for you. It looks like the guide rod on this, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, it doesn't actually touch the comp. So they obviously use some new lockup system here to keep that barrel really level, but very cool. So here we are at the Mantis booth. I got Nick here. Nick's going to tell us about some cool new products coming from Mantis.
Yep. So, just debuted yesterday at SHOT Show Range Day is Titan X. This is our laser training pistol. So, it's not a replacement for your actual firearms. It's an actual training pistol with the laser built in.
All right.
Has a great trigger built into it, and the Mantis X is built into this pistol. So, it's a self-contained system.
Nice.
It'll work with our Laser Academy, with Mantis X, anything you're doing. And one of the nice things about that is, like our Blackbeard X, how it's hardwired in, you can do those multi-threat transition drills, Pyrax, all kinds of stuff. You're able to do all that as well and get that analytics on your transitions between targets.
Awesome. So you guys, just so you know too, this magazine does come out.
Yep. It comes with a spare magazine as well, so you can do reloads.
All right, and there's some heft to this, so it kind of feels like the regular gun.
Yep.
And check that out, you can actually put an optic on it.
Yep, it's optics cut for, I believe it's RMR and RMS.
Okay.
Though I'm not an optics guy, so if I messed those up.
That's all right. That's all right.
And then we have a few new Blackbeards as well. Let me grab one of those for you real quick.
You got an AK model, huh?
So we have a few new ones that have come out recently and a few more that are getting very close.
All right.
So out now, we've had the AR-15 and the MCX.
Right.
Now we have the AR-10, Scar Light, Scar Heavy, and there's one more I believe they just released recently, but we also have AK-47, AK-74, Bren 2, G36, MP5, PCC, all kinds of stuff in the works.
You pretty much got them all.
Yep.
So
if you don't shoot one of those, you should.
You got the rechargeable mags, just like the...
Yep, exactly. And all the newer models have USB-C, so you charge it up even faster. And once again, just a quick replacement for the parts on your gun. Right, that's how you load AKs. I'm an AR guy.
I got you. That's cool.
You get that same trigger weight, brake reset, your optics and furniture with all the feedback you love.
I have Joel here from Mantis. He's going to talk about 2 new products they got coming out, VR and AR.
All right, so our VR is being developed for Meta Quest platform. Right, it's just like a lot of other VR training solutions. It's going to be a detailed simulator for static flat range shooting, and a lot of potential for rehearsing different scenarios and match scenarios before you actually go to the flat range, right? Refining all of those fundamentals and techniques. So AR is going to be taking it a step further. This is going to be more of a dynamic and combat-focused training platform. So spatial awareness being a huge part of combat shooting, especially for CQB, being able to work your offset around corners, learning how to manage cover and break cover properly and maneuver throughout a space. AR is the only only way to do that. So we've developed an application that works on the Magic Leap 2 headset. You have the computer here that's tethered to a headset that just snaps around your head. Able to wear this with a high-cut helmet. You can use this system in full kit with your actual rifle, the same way you use any of our other systems because of the Blackbeard X that connects to the Magic Leap or the VR headset via Bluetooth. So you're running your actual rifle with your optics, your trigger, in your kit, in whatever space you scan into the Magic Leap headset, and it renders AI-controlled hostiles for you to engage.
All right, guys, check this out. This is the TLR1 HLX. This is redesigned. It's the same kind of form function as the TLR1 that you guys know, but it's got some cool upgrades. Number one, the switches for the gun. Just like the original, when you press them down, it'll turn the light on. However, this one, you can also now press forward. So very similar to that X300 style, where you can press the light forward. The other cool thing about this one is you can press this button right here. And when you do that, there's a lever, almost like a safety lever on this side, that allows you to access the battery cable, or the battery. So this way, you don't have to break that little door off that always happens. And you can use rechargeable or regular batteries. So this is going to be a really cool new addition. Blade Tech is coming out with their new duty holster, and this one happens to be a level 3. What's super cool about this one is it has a built-in sentry guard, so once this is closed, you won't be able to open it. You can slide it open. Now here's one of the best parts. Once you pop the hood, the gun is still locked in there. Yeah. Even if the gun's under tension, it'll release. It'll also fit a wide variety of different lights that you have available. It locks in automatically when it goes in. Also, it's a modular design that will come apart into 2 parts, and you can actually change the outer appearance of this should you want to do that. So go ahead and check these guys out at Blade Tech.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are at SHOT Show 2025, and I wanted to talk about the collaboration that we did with Aimpoint and the Aimpoint Kowa optic. So this is a factory-installed optic that is direct milled into the slide, and the Kowa optic is a much slimmer profile than the Acro P2. It's got the same size window aperture with a 3.5-minute dot, but the entire profile of it is a lot slimmer, so it allows us to mount this on our full-size slides and the slimline pistols. It's also got the A-cut interface, which is how it connects to or attaches to the slide, where it wedges here in the front, and then we have a 2-screw wedge here in the back that also acts as a rear sight. The other cool thing is we have the new GTL2, which stands for the Glock Tactical Light. It attaches to any standard Glock frame. It's anodized aluminum, 600 lumens, and 11,000 candela. Super easy to replace the battery. We just rotate the front piece off right here. Battery pops right out. But great combo. Like I said, with the Kowa, it comes factory installed, and it fits full size and the slimline pistols.
Hey guys, I'm with Cannon here at Ruger. He's going to talk to us about the RXM.
Yeah, so the RXM, it's our new, it's a collaboration with Magpul. They own, or they build the frames for us. There's a fire control insert inside, so eventually Magpul is going to come out with different colors, different size variations of the grip, right? And you'll be able to take the serialized part, the serialized fire control insert out of this one and put it into a different size or a different color. It is also a optics ready. It has Delta Point Pro, RMR, and RMSC. So most of the big 3 as far as
they directly fit to the slide.
They directly fit. No plates needed. Directly on the slide.
What's that run right now?
MSRP is $499. I see in most stores typically around the $400 mark.
Wow.
Yeah. So price-wise, pretty competitive with.
Pretty much all the Gen 3 parts?
Yeah, but not every single one, but most 90%, I'd say 85-90% of Gen 3 will, triggers, barrels, stuff like that, will be, you can replace in here.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time, man.